Hey guys, so this is my 11 and 12 week update. So week 11 really just flew by, and before I realized it, I was like mid-week 12 and I was like, all right, guess I'm doing a combo video, so sorry about that. Not much happened during week 11, to be honest. I just could feel like I just felt more pregnant. I didn't really look it, but I did, I don't know, I just kind of felt it more. Like when I was trying to sleep and things, it just, yeah. And I also noticed, so week 11 was pretty chill. It was just kind of the same. But then it was like the moment that week 12 started, it was like instant, like it changed. So week 12 started and I started to get lightheaded and get headaches at night. And I actually thought I was gonna faint once. I didn't. I'm not like the hardiest person ever, if you're wondering, so it could be anxiety related, it could be related to being in week 12, I have no idea. I am starting to show a little bit, so if you want to like see, I have a little bit of a belly. I've put on, my weight fluctuates a little bit because the scale at home and the scale at the doctor's are completely different. Like I think they're off by like 3 pounds. So I think I've put on 4 to 5 pounds since the beginning of my pregnancy. So there are quite a few pairs of pants that I cannot wear. Shirts are pretty much the same. I mean, some of them that are more fitted are more obvious, so I need to get some more like stretch pants. I'm gonna be living in those until the weather gets warm, and then I'll definitely just wear dresses because I feel like I'll be able to wear dresses more easily and longer at the beginning of the pregnancy. That's my plan, so hopefully that does work out. But anyways, yeah, so I'm still waking up every morning between 2 and 4, no matter when I go to bed. I have no idea what that's about. I have no clue. So if I go to bed at 8 or 9, or if I go to bed at like 11 or 12, doesn't matter. Between 2 and 4, I wake up. And I'm usually someone who can just sleep endlessly. Or I can like get up and eat and then go back to sleep. And I have not been able to do that. And I would really love that. I was hoping that I was gonna know the gender, but I didn't realize that it was not a part of the regular huge set of blood tests that I got done. I guess at the end of week 11. They took like 7 vials. I also almost fainted then because I'm not very good at giving blood, and I wasn't even looking, but they took so much. That was a lot. So I just thought that I might pass out, but I didn't. I just didn't feel or look very good for a couple days. Yeah, so it turns out it was supposed to be an additional separate test, and it has to go alongside with genetic counseling, which means that you just meet with like a high-risk doctor, and they discuss like your family heritage and your health history and your family history, and then they determine what additional genetic testing you should get done. So I had only done the original set of blood work because I thought that everything was just included. I didn't realize it was a separate doctor's appointment. So it looks like I'm probably not going to figure out gender until week 20, just like everybody else. And it also looks like those, so after I do the genetic testing, like counseling thing, they're the ones that are going to recommend what tests I get done. And from what my sister was filling me in, that even still, like they only give you like the odds of your child having certain issues. They don't give you like this is definitely the case or this definitely isn't the case. So a part of me is not sure if I even want to do any of that. And again, this is personal preference. I think everyone should do what's right for them. I'm not saying like you shouldn't do it. I'm just saying like I already have anxiety and I'm nervous. And I'm trying really hard to take my prenatal and to stay calm and to try not to be too stressed and prepare. But I don't know that knowing those statistics is really going to help me at all. So I definitely, when we do the genetic counseling and they look at our you know, family history and give a guess as to what tests I should or shouldn't get done. I guess I'll, you know, talk to Sean and we'll just make the decision then what we want to do. I have heard that at your 20-week, they can give you more information because they'll get a good look at the baby's brain and such. And so I might, you know, if everything seems fine, just keep rolling and wait till the 20-week. And if there's anything, you know, alarmingly alarming, then I'll do something then. So I kind of think that might be my decision, or our decision, just because I think that might be what's in our best interest. But anyways, oh, and I shouldn't have bought shoes, but all I could think about was this summer and how it's going to be summer and I'm going to be pregnant, and I want to look cute, but I'm going to have to wear all these depending on how big I get, and I have no idea. Anyway, so I found these adorable shoes. So they're Adidas, and they're like taupey gray, maybe like a little taupe. They're just super cute, and I just feel like they're gonna match with everything. And I just want to be comfortable and kind of cute, and I just feel like I'm gonna, I don't know, I just needed a pair of shoes to make me feel better about life. So I need yoga pants too, to be honest. Okay, so I need yoga pants. I don't care if I have like 7 pairs of black ones. Maybe like 1 pair of dark gray. But that's totally fine with me because I have a whole bunch of just like pregnancy t-shirts and then like sweaters. So I feel like I'm in decent shape. You know, like I don't have to, I know there are super cute outfits out there and that's awesome. I don't have the money or space to try to do that. I don't need to be super cute. I just need to be, I don't know, presentable and comfortable, to be honest. Anyways, so I'm super excited about these sneakers because it doesn't take much. And I'm excited that maybe the weather will be warm at some point in the near future, maybe. I don't know. It's not looking like it now, but I think that every year. And somehow winter ends. So I was thinking about doing a video of my, like the best products that I used during my first trimester. So since I have, I think, a week left in my first trimester, so I might do that. So definitely look for that. So thank you guys so much for watching, and please stay tuned and take care.